the way out. And then put your hands on your chest for me more, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Good. That's perfect. That's it. Let your head fall. Let that fall more.
Yes. I can't. Oh. Yes. Did you hear that?
I did. I did.
Oh, I can. If my head feels lighter, like it just.
Does it?
Yeah. You don't know how much stress you carry up there. Like it.
I feel tense. Just
Yeah.
watching it. Like,
But when you do it.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna adjust right in this section here first. You can feel that, right?
That's the spot I don't think anyone can ever get.
Let's see what we can do. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Let's do that one more time. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Good. Look up for me. Keep that chin up.
Oh. Yep. I needed that. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, I've been waiting for that. Okay.
Okay.
You alright? Good? You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the next one?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. We are going to adjust right up here.
Okay.
Alright. Now I'm going to be contacting right on top of that spine.
Okay.
Right here. That's good. Awesome. So I want you to take a deep breath. Let that out. Good. Let your arms hang down more.
Oh. Yes. I've needed this for a while.
Are you okay?
Close your mouth, Dina.
Okay.
I'm still alive.
All right. Hey, if you say so. I trust you.
See if I can do that.
I got up so much easier.
You okay?
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're okay. You have this big, huge smile on
Yeah.
your face. Look at that.
You don't understand. Because no one can seem to get that spot.
Alright, so what we're going to do here is we are going to adjust your neck a different way.
Oh, she doesn't care. She's just like, whatever.
Turn your head all the way to the left. Does that hurt a little bit?
Well, it's tender right there where you're
Tender right
touching.
here?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. So I want you to fall. Let the head go down more. Let that fall.
Oh.
I'm so scared my neck would just be on the floor by now.
I'm guessing that hasn't happened before, huh?
No. I think, like, I'm afraid to move, but. Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you need that. You need that in your life. You need that in your life. Yes. And if you can go in that way too, oh yeah, you need that in your life. Like I can actually lay on my back with no.
I'm noticing that. Like, you're not trying
hurting?
to.
Yeah, because normally I'm trying to prop
Yeah.
a leg up.
Yes. And she's not.
But I can actually lay on my back with no issue now.
This is great.
Yeah.
Make sure your head come all the way up.
This is going to feel good. 'Cause that right there just feels amazing.
Good. So I want you to take a deep breath in. Let that go. Let your stomach relax more.
Oh! Oh! They are not lying. When you say you feel that all the way. Okay, Tina, you're not ready for that one.
No, I'm not. Of course I'm not.
No, that's an advanced move right there.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's too advanced for me. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But you look like you are thoroughly enjoying it. You do. You really do.
Yes. It was worth the drive. It was worth getting up.
That was big.
Yes.
Let me take this underneath you.
That was worth you driving from Dallas.
Yes.
Okay. I can tell. I can tell.
Yeah?
Yeah, that was worth it. That was so worth it.
Tell me how you were feeling before you came in.
I just felt so scrunched up, like the top part of my neck. No matter how much I stretched or got massages, I just did not feel like it was loose. And now I just feel like, I'm sitting up taller.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I can do whatever. Like, oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, it's shocking, but
Oh, yeah.
yeah, that was great.
That's awesome.
That was great. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait.
She can't get enough right
I
now.
can't, yeah. If he wasn't already married, I'd marry him.
Robin, really?
I mean, I'm just saying, like,
Oh my God.
you know, sometimes you just wish you could take your head and just take it off your body sometimes. He did that, like, without killing me.
A ton of pressure.
Yeah, it's just all
shoulders.
that, my shoulders, because these don't go nowhere, and so
Right. Feel lighter.
I feel so much lighter.
So we're gonna adjust that low spot, right? You have no curve. So right here. So chin up a little bit more.
Wow. I wasn't expecting that many cracks.
No.
Wow. I feel good.
Lay on your side. Yeah. It's tight. It's really tight. That's it. I'm gonna push a little more. So relax your stomach. That's it. Let that go. Good. All right.
Yeah.
Go on the other side.
I've heard the cracks in your videos, so I'm
Good. Keep that this way. So this one's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be pushing on that sacrum instead. Let your hip drop. Let that roll. That's it. More. Good. Whew. So we are going to adjust that mid back. All right. It might be a little tight, but we still have to try anyways. Roll towards me. Just like that. This is where that area. That's right. Let your head relax. It's already it's already popped. Good. Exhale. That's it. Oh. Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good, good.
Yeah. That's it. Right there.
Oh, my God. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I didn't know my neck could move like that. Wow. That felt good.
Good. Perfect. Alright. Good. So take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Let your body relax. Put your hands up to your chest more. Good.
Oh, my God. Woo. Oh, my God.
And just stay there for
I felt that all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
That was a shock to my system. Whoa.
Mm-hmm. How do you feel?
Different. No matter what I would do before, when I laying down or sitting up, always just super tense or just super stiff. But I just feel loose. I feel loose. That's the best way to describe it. Like I wouldn't be able to move like that without without anticipating like something serious happening. A lot of it's just mental, but I do feel stiff most of the time, and it feels good.
Good.
It feels good.
That's awesome, man.
It's just amazing how over time you just build a tolerance, and you feel like you build a new normal, and you feel like this is normal, but no, it's not. This is good, man. I thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, brother. So we adjusted here. On this side, everything is just moving like this. So we're gonna adjust from this left side here.
Okay.
Look at that. So I'm gonna put my hand just like this, just right there. That's it. I want you to turn. Good. Bend your head down. Relax this shoulder just a little bit more. Turn your head down. Drop your head.
That feels awesome.
I didn't know what you were about to say after.
It feels like it's what I haven't been able to do on my own when I'm always like trying to move my neck around.
Yeah, and that's what you were looking for.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's why you can't. I mean, that's why you need me, right?
Yeah. It feels great.
That's gonna be the best thing for you. Obviously, you've been through this before. So when I see your spine like this, right, there's a lot of tension. There's a hyperkyphosis right in through this T5, T6 area. Mm-hmm. So this is where we're going to be pushing here first. So I want you to take a deep breath in and let all your air out. That's it. Look up a little bit. Good. Relax your shoulders more. It's already moving. You okay? How did that feel?
Good and bad at the same time.
Okay, we're gonna get down in here. Now, I'm gonna tell you to lift your chin up, and I want you to lift it all the way up as much as you can when I tell you to.
Okay.
We have to get here. So this might be a little bit harder for you, so I want you to take a deep breath in and let all that air out. That's it. Look up for me. That's it. Yep. How did that feel?
Good.
That was good, right?
Yeah.
As long as you don't hate me by the end.
No.
Okay. Just like that. All the way forward. Okay. So we're going to be pushing right here. I'm going to be pushing up, okay? So I want you to take a deep breath in and let that air out. Let that hip roll. Good. Good. So right in through here. That's it. Let that go. Any ankle surgeries, anything like that?
No.
Knee surgeries? Good.
No.
Good. Awesome. And then same thing right here. Let that go. Nice. Moving good. All right, let's bring this knee up. And I'm gonna pull just like that, just a little more. So that lower portion of that neck is where it's all stuck.
Okay.
Right. So we're gonna be adjusting that specific area, right where that C5 area is, right here.
Okay.
Okay. Good. That's it. Good.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Now, you are going to lift your head all the way up. Yeah. Rings off.
Okay.
All right. Now, I tell people, if you need to scream, you can scream. If you need to shout, you can shout. If you need to praise Jesus, you can praise Jesus. Okay, that's fine. All right. But all I ask is that you just relax as much as you can. You're doing good. Good. And take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Put your hands up to your chest more.
Wow. That feels amazing. I feel like I might actually walk straighter when I
think you
walk out of here.
might.
It felt like my spine just stretched. Wow.
Do you like that tension came off?
Yeah, for sure. Not just like off my shoulders, just like my entire back.
It's great.
Yeah. I'm so excited to go back to work on Monday. I feel like even sitting down on the chair is gonna feel better.
And tell me, how are you feeling? What are you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing. I'm feeling like all the tension in my neck and my back is just gone. Like I'm even gonna walk. It's exciting to think I might actually walk straight for the first time in 10 years. Like I might actually not feel obligated to be
Like
slouching
that,
down.
right.
Yeah.
Try to sit up. How does that feel when you...
It feels good. It doesn't actually feel uncomfortable at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
good.
amazing.
Yeah. So, because you were coming in with what? You had neck issues,
Right.
migraines,
Yeah.
migraines for 10 years.
Yeah.
And you said you couldn't even just...
Yeah,
sit up
just
straight like that.
usually when I'm on my chair, just sitting up straight, like it's uncomfortable. So right back, I just go back to this
Yeah.
because it feels so much better than to actually sit straight.
So you can finally actually sit straight.
Yeah, I think I can finally actually sit straight.
Good. And all you have to do is just let your body relax, right? And just let me move your head and everything. That's good. More. Let it go. Just a little bit. That's it.
Didn't see that one coming. That was cool. That was weird to hear.
That's weird here.
Yeah.
Good. See how it's already moving and everything? Alright. So I just want you to relax as much as you can. That's perfect.
That's cool.
That was cool, right? How did that feel?
It was good.
That was good? Alright, we're gonna go on the other side now. Good, you got it. You're gonna scoot all the way forward, just like that. Now this one, we're gonna be pulling down to get this to open back up, alright? That's it. So we're gonna pull right here and just relax a little more. It's already moving. Yes. Let me see this, and you're gonna hold just like this. I'm gonna be almost kind of hugging you, right? But I'm gonna put my hand right underneath your spine so that it can adjust. You're gonna roll this way with me. It's perfect right there. Good, just a little bit lower right there. Good. So I want you to take a deep breath in and let all that air out. That's it. More look straight. Good. Then a little bit higher up here, and take a deep breath in and let all that air out. That's good.
I'll take a chamomile tea next time before I go.
No, you're good. We're gonna adjust right here. It's perfect. Beautiful. More. You good? Mm-hmm. You sure?
Yeah.
A little shocking?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna lift your head all the way up. There you go. So I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. And then put your hands on your chest for me more, that's it.
That one felt weird.
This one. All right. So your first adjustment ever. All right. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Yeah. Was it what you expected?
No, I thought it was gonna hurt more. It was just like, I don't know, like as soon as it happened and it was done. You know?
Yeah. See how your neck feels? See how your stomach relax more. More.